There's never been a better time to learn to paint from home. Let's make the most of this fantastic opportunity we have, where we actually have more time than usual to learn some new painting skills. Even if you've never painted before, you'll love my Blooms painting method, a system of painting that anyone can apply. Who am I? I'm Jacqueline Coates. I'm an award-winning teacher. I've come up with my own teaching method and I teach it all over the world. Now that I'm at home, I'm really looking forward to creating the Blooms Live online workshop on April 7, where we're going to learn how to paint this beautiful Paris rose with all of its stunning colors. And we're only going to need a handful of paints to do that, which is so cool because it's going to save you a lot of money too. So I'm going to be recording this once for the Southern Hemisphere and once again live for the Northern Hemisphere. And then I'm going to be posting those videos in our members area so that you can access them at any time at your own pace. I'm also going to be giving you student reviews and plenty of feedback and loads of bonuses to support you from the minute that you book in. You're going to have loads of extra support material, including what to get to prepare for the class that we're going to do together. Fantastic photo reference, so you can do not only one painting but 3 incredible stunners from this same series, so that if you've enjoyed one you can actually practice and get even better on and do another 2 to go with it. I'm sure that all your friends are going to want to get hold of your paintings after you do this too. So if you want more details, scroll down below. I'm actually doing this for almost half the price that I'd usually do my one-day workshop, but with triple the value, so that you can really enjoy and immerse yourself in the painting experience with masses of confidence. I'm going to show you color mixing. I'm going to give you some mentoring that I'm famous for to help your mindset, to give yourself permission to paint and let yourself be an artist. And just so many more wonderful bonuses that are going to make your life really fun and you're going to enjoy this whole experience. So I'll see you in class. And have a look at the booking times and see which suits you, and I'll see you there April 7.